Oh my gosh, you guys, looky looky what I just got in the mail. This is my first loot from Gel Moment of nail art supplies. And this one, this is a part of our Gel Moment Nail Art Obsession collection. And we get a surprise nail art released every Sunday. So, I love surprises. Surprises are so fun. So this is the one I ordered. Oops. And they're like these little pieces of marble. I'm gonna have to figure this out. I do not know how this works. Okay. So something like that. These are fun. I was like, I could not imagine what they were gonna look like. But they're basically like nail, what do you want to call it? Extras. So, you do need the clear Gel Moment to set these, with your nail. So I'm gonna have to figure this out. What do you think? Does it go that way? Does it go this way? No, I'm thinking it goes this way. Maybe you just do it as on your accent. Excuse my nail there. I don't know. Anyway, I will have to figure out what I can do with those. These are fun little studs. They come in silver and gold. I love the little hearts, stars. You can play around, do some designs. These, we have tons. This is the Tiara collection. This is the Bohemian one I chose. Let's see if it says, no. So this is the Bohemian one, and there's also one with like skulls. There's tons of different ones. So let's see what you get. So you get okay, so you get two packs, and this is the Bohemian one. I was thinking it's gonna look really pretty with white nail polish. Like, look at these turquoise pieces. Oh, I totally want to try this like now. Look how cute that is, and put it over some white nail polish. Even those red ones. So you get both of these sets. I'll have to check the price. I think they were $5 for the nail art set like that. And then the other one I got, these are styling strips. I got them in the holographic. So you can do different decorative designs with it. But I was thinking, even if I didn't want to keep the strip on there, that I can use it to tape off designs and then do, like, maybe do the chrome in different sections and then rip off the tape, kind of like a painter's tape design. And let's see what comes in this one. So this one, also two. Man, this is going to last me a lifetime. Look how many strips there are. Does it say how many it comes with? No, just 2 sheets. But those are big sheets. Look how big that is. Okay, got some fun little nail arts coming up.